What is up guys? Today in this video we are going to learn 10 learning from the master of stock market, aka the compounding machine, aka Charlie Ackley. So the first lesson from the compounding machine is to go for a long term, to trade for a long term, and by long term he means 10 to 20 years minimum, okay? And then you will see the real power of compounding. And he explained this with an example, and he said, suppose you are given $5 million this side and a single dollar which multiplied double for 30 days, then probably you and me would have chose $5 million. Or comment down what will be your choice, $5 million or $1 double for 30 days. Okay, I hope you guys will have comment down. So let's start. The result is after 30 days $1 will have turned into $10 million, and instead of 5 million you will have get double money. And that's the power of compound, and that's the reason he said go for a long view, at least 10 to 20 years for minimum. So the second lesson from Chuck's Acre is to go above average. Okay, he says trade in the company that will give returns above average, and by above average he means return of 20 to 25%, and the average return by any company is nearly 7 to 10%. And I know you guys are smart enough to apply this in your real life. So the tip number 3 from Chuck is invest in yourself. Okay, invest in yourself. Let's consider a scenario in stock market. If a company has gained a profit, then a normal company will do is to provide dividend to its shareholder. But according to Chuck, this is not good for them. Okay, and let me explain you this. Okay, let me simplify why Chuck say it is not good for them. Okay, if a company would have invested the profit in themselves by adding machineries, adding new technology, in research and development, etc., then the money of the share or the shareholder would have gained profit 3 to 4x than the dividend given, and it will really have helped the compounding. Okay, and that will be more efficient for the company. So don't forget to invest in yourself. You got it right. So the lesson number 4 from the compounding machine is go below market risk. Okay, by that he means choose a company that have less chances of failure than the other option in the market. Okay, if you're watching till here, you deserve a bonus. Okay brother, let me tell you, these tips are not only related to stock market. Everything, every single word I have told you is applicable in business and your life. Don't make a mistake of applying this related to only stock market. Be brave enough to apply them in your life. Tip number 5 from the master investor is you should understand what you are doing, on which company you are applying. You should know the fundamentals of the company. You should know people who are operating them. You should know what are the future plans of the company, the future tasks, the future aim. And by that, this is no longer related to stock market. Okay, you need to understand what is your business going to do, what are your business target, what is your business mindset, and many things. So tip number 6 from Chucks is patience. Okay, you really need to be patient, and don't forget, patience is the key to success. Let me tell you a scenario. Suppose you have bought a stock. In starting 5 to 10 years will go like this. Okay, increasing in a slightly way, giving return up to 5 to 10%, but the next 2 to 3 years will grow like this, and this will show the power of compounding. So be patient, don't do silly mistake of be patient. So the lesson number 7 from the compounding machine is to study. Okay, you need to study. You are the clean slate. When he entered the stock market, he literally knew nothing. Okay, literally nothing. He learned everything by reading books and following Warren Buffett. Point here is, don't think you can do anything. You can do anything, my brother. And even if you don't believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you will be the future billionaire. Make sure and don't make excuses. Okay, learn. Everything is available. If you are able to watch this video, you are able to create a rocket, and it's absolutely free. All you need is the ambition and the motivation. So the lesson number 8 from the great investor is to go for a business rather than a company. And American Tower is a great example of it. And let me explain you why it is a great example. He had brought American dollar at 0.80 cent in million, and he saw that future of the American Tower will be great. And after 20 to 25 years, okay, you need to think what will be the future of the company or business in 20 to 25 years, and now you know what is the price of American Tower. You got it, okay? Invest in a business rather than a company. Okay, so tip number 9 is volatility doesn't matter in long term. So play for long term. Don't accept you're losing, or don't think like you are losing if you are lost 2 to 3 times continuously. Go for long term. Maybe this 2 years where you're failure, but the next 5 to 10 years will be your brother. So make sure you will go for a long run. So lesson number 10 and the final lesson is your thinking, okay? If you are positive thinker, you will win the world. All you need is the right attitude, right approach, and the most importantly, right mindset. Think positive and you will conquer the world. Okay, bye. This is the end of this video. Make sure you watch this series 1000 day 10,000 learning. And this is the part 5th of this video, I think. I don't remember now. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. With this note, let's